how to use Autofill Chrome extension. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Autofill Chrome extension. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first you will need to download Chrome extension, that is Autofill. So for that, tap on the three dots on the top right. There you'll find the extension section. Head over to Visit Chrome Web Store. After you're there, you can then tap on the search bar and search for Autofill. And after you do that, you can just tap on the lightning autofill and just add it to Chrome. I've already added to Chrome, so I don't need to do that. Now you can head over to any website that you want where you can log in. So I just went to Facebook. Let me just log out for a bit. And after I log out, what I can do here is, let me just remove all of this. The password manager is working its thing. Now, whenever I type in something here, and just typing in something random for now, and then I type in the password. So what I can do here is I can tap on this lightning autofill section, tap on the generate rule option, and the first is fill out the form, the second is choose a profile. Now what I can do is tap on the new button where I can now choose on Facebook. And after I do that, I'll just tap on OK and generate auto rules. After I've done that, now I can just leave this Facebook and I can just head over there again. And as you can see right here, it is now auto-filled. I do not need to type this again and again. After I just head over to this website, it will just be there ready at all times. And that is how you use autofill Chrome extension, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.